Good morning, everyone. Crypto Lemon speaking. Today is Tuesday, November 17th, and we are in for a new daily crypto news. So we're gonna talk about the state of the market that has been pretty bullish recently, which is super nice. Then we're gonna talk about some DeFi coins that actually have gained almost all as much as Bitcoin year to date, which is impressive after the kind of bear markets we were in a few weeks back. We are gonna also talk about Ethereum 2.0, kind of short in terms of total Ethereum stake at the moment, but there are still 2 weeks, well, 1 week left. And finally, we're gonna talk about another hack that just happened this month. It's the fourth one. It's also on a DeFi project and on Ethereum. So we're gonna just figure out what happened there. So let's get to it. So the state of the market, we are sitting at more than $485 billion market cap. Bitcoin is close to 17K at 16.7, and Ethereum is also north of $465. So we had a lot of bull run from smaller altcoins recently over the past 24 hours. We had Polkadot almost 9% up, Litecoin 9% up, and a bunch of other ones between 3 and 5%. The total market cap has been growing at 3.2% over the past 24 hours. But what do we have interesting to look at? First of all, it seems that Bitcoin just cannot stop going up. We hear every day a new company, a new hedge fund, a new finance guru that said that he might own some Bitcoins. This is really bullish for the space. We have the retail craziness and bullishness that didn't even kick in yet, as we don't see Bitcoin in newspaper or TV as we did during the 2017 bull run. Volumes have been kind of going down over the past few days, but really up compared to the averages of the past months. We have BTC locked in D5 in terms of number of BTC, so it's going up in dollar value, but stable in BTC, which is also kind of positive with a lot of Nexo, BlockFi, and other kind of companies really gaining popularity for people to take loans and just deposit Bitcoin as they feel really positive over the price of Bitcoin going forward. We have also the number of transactions on Ethereum network at almost all-time high, close to a million, more than a million a day. Most of them are swaps between stablecoin, mostly USDT and other coins, and all other transaction on Uniswap protocol. So these are all very bullish. The crypto fear and greed index is also really bullish, sitting at 86. It's been there for a while now. If we look at maxing out, this is the only thing that worries me. We're really into bullish territory, which has been for the past few days, and we continue to stabilize with price going up. So this is quite interesting. Median token, DeFi token return on par with Bitcoin this year. They were saying that you have all these tables that you can look at in the links that I will show. But basically, median return sits around 150% year to date for DeFi tokens, with Bitcoin posting around 133% gain. So this is quite equivalent. And the DeFi tokens that did not perform well are Curve, SushiSwap, and Swerve. Most of them having posted close to 80% or more losses year to date. Ethereum, so this is quite interesting. Only 18% ready for ETH 2.0, despite the fact that Vitalik sent almost $1.3 million worth of Ethereum. They have almost 100K Ethereum staked at the moment, and they need more than 500,000, so they're still not there, and there is a bit more than a week to go. So let's hope they get there. But with all the DeFi kind of crazy yield, it seems that some Ethereum holders prefer to provide liquidity on Uniswap dexes to gain some tokens than to put it for the Ethereum 2.0 staking mechanism, where you have, it seems, to stake them for a long time and to provide this infrastructure. So let's see what happens. But I believe Ethereum 2.0 is really important for the overall ecosystem. So I hope some people will stake them in the future. Final news is fourth major DeFi hack. It was for the origin dollar OUSD token. It's been hacked through a re-entrancy bug in their contract. This is what happened to their DAO in 2016. It basically allows people to put a lot of transactions that are confirmed. For example, the example I saw was quite interesting. It's like if you were to draft a lot of emails, you didn't send them, and every time you draft them, the protocol just looks if you have in your wallet the amount for this email. Let's say you have one credit for an email. So you draft 20 emails, and you have one. Every time you draft one, the protocol says, "Oh yes, you have one credit. You will be able to send it." And once you draft all these emails, you send them all at once, and the protocol did not check in between that you already spent kind of this credit, and therefore you are able to withdraw 20 times one instead of just one. So this is what I understood of it. I probably didn't explain it really well, but the protocol is not internal scam. They will continue to develop what USD. With what I understood, it's some kind of YFI for stablecoins. So you own a origin dollar, and they try to put it left and right to get the best yield on stablecoins lending platforms. So this is it. So this is it for today. We had a great weekend. We have a major week coming up. Ethereum 2.0, Bitcoin sitting at almost all-time high. So this is really exciting, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye bye, guys.